halor ke jingjia kabala jahinin kami la company star cement Lumshnong kabala mi ka hurhura ka bajur bhabat kala danru ka jingdu no iwe imen simbrio bat ka jingsha thang bat sha penjilor ki trok jong ka company naka liang ka shnong Lumshnong lingba wahe shnong bat naka liang uhe jong ka company gila penpaw bat pensha halor ka jingjia ubanya ya ka trok company ude ubla tip kerteng kum uba sailang mi dakhar ubana ka shnong klitershi bat ubanya ya ka kali pick up pat ubala klat ude ubala tip kerteng kum usnyau bhalang suchang ubana Lumshnong nakaliang management representative jang ka company star cement udivanda bansar uloong ba ubanya ya ka truck jang ka company bat ubanya ya ka kali pick up imat kila dan shwa ka jengya ka ja hapreng jang ki nadu wayajer hakaba ubanya ya ka pick up ula be thong ya ka truck hadu company bat anda poi ha ka gate 1 jang ka company ubanya ya ka kali pick up ula kiu halor ka truck bat sno na ka benta ba shakhman te kom tau la hap na lor ka trok kat ba ka trok ka dangyat imat ubanyat ka trok pat ula shep te nge tip balai ula pet karat hadien kani kila 1 poi sa kipat pa bat ki bahayeng jong ubala khlat mar hi la 1 poi sa kipulet ha ka te ka jaka ha ka bala rano ya ka met cha hospital te imat kila dan katu kat ni ki bla shim kabu halor kani ka jingjia ki persyang man panpat ya ki yet jong ki trong ki ba yeng ha jaka yeng kali ha po company bat thang ru ya ki trong te kani ka wanra ka jing shapting bat jingsir ya ki pat pa bat ya baro ki badan ha company bat wanra ru ka jingthut ka jingtrekam ha plan ru ulo ong shu ba kila dan hadu kan reutli ki trok ki bala sha thang bat hadu arpusan teli ki trok ki ba sha penjulor bat ongru ba ki pulet tin sapet halor kani ke jingjia bat le kat kum ka an nakaliang wahe shnong Lumshnong uba manlang ladong ula penpaw ke jingsong kya halor kani ka bala ja hinin ka sngi na marladon uwe na ki nong shnong jong ka shnong Lumshnong ulit snyau bhalang suchang ubadei ubanyat ka kali pick up ula shayu hakatrok jong ka company kani ka pensong si engi kum ka shnong bat ya baro hi halor kani ka jingjia ngi dang bodin hi kum ka shnong bat ngila don ka jingelang bat ka star cement bat kum ju ru ki pulen kum balong menta driver banyat ya ka trok company ula pet kra bat ki pulet ki dangwat hadu menta kakam ka dangya shakhmat pat ngi khmi denti baki pulet ru kindang pet halor kani khnang ba ka ba kum kani kanum cha shu nangni shakhmat ong wahe shnong Lumshnong
ta nga kam wahe shnong yong ka Lumshnong u monlang ladong hijing ito nin ka sngi ka janmet ka wa jia hastar cement man pendap ko I da ka jing snyosi ne ba da emu wi na kinong chong snong yong wa manu driver yang ke pick up da chayo ha ka truck cement kit cement yang ka star cement te man ka wapen snyau si kam ka chnong he bat ya waro he ha wajia kam ni jingjia te ka jingjia halor yang kani te ile dang ya bodden ni kam ka chnong ya bo ka meeting ya chong meeting wa ka star bat kam jo ya ki wa ki pulit le hajing ito wa kani ka kam ne ba kamuman kate petit u driver wo yu yo ne khna wo da yap le dang tho ki pulit o wa mem pu chem ki o do ne ga sngi te ki kam ke wa daw lai chakmat to yoluti wa ki pulit le udang pai dang sli ki he ko kom ki wa to he khnang wa na ka por support lai ujia kam ni jingjia was nyau si te du ni he khadiak nga na leng yang to khite ki jing klam ki yang
representative from Star Cement. The incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called. So all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only. They are operating. So in yesterday's incident, I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Kalitirshi near Jovai and camper driver belongs to Lumshnong. So there was some incident happened near Visor, I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck was stopped at gate, and then after that, when it entered, that camper was also in along with the. It came, and then driver came by foot, and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck, and he was putting the hand on the that in the that glass front mirror, and I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside, and there was some incident happened. He fell down, and then truck was in already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot, and then ambulance was provided. Doctor was there, but I think that was not alive, or that doctor said it was there, and then the truck driver also fled after parked the truck in the parking, and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered ki what happened, and then that headman, deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to ye ki their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people, they came, and then they try to divert the issue from this to another matter, and then they're taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to, like in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fear psycho in the plant. They destroy the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fear psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that all the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter.